Good morning everybody. I Ravi Pal here to present presentation on the topic sixth sense technology. In this we have to discuss about first I am going to discuss about my contents, that is as follows: introduction, components, working, application, advantages, disadvantages, and last one of them is conclusion. Now we have to move on next slide. That is first we have to discuss about the five senses of human being is as follows. That is sight, hearing, taste, touch, smell. We have to talk about the sixth sense technology. Then first we have to understand what is the sixth sense. Let me give a brief introduction about the sixth sense. The sixth sense technology. What is sixth sense? Let me explain about it. The sixth sense. Let us suppose that two persons are talking to each other, and sometimes it feels like that someone is looking at me. This in We know this information by one extra sense, that is known as sixth sense technology. Now we have to discuss about how can we convert this sixth sense into sixth sense technology. Eh, Then we have to discuss further about it. The sixth sense technology is an extrasensory perception, that is also known as ESP, that aims to connect our physical world to, like hand gesture, indication, or movements, to the digital world without the help of any hardware devices. Steve Mann is the father of this technology and who discovered this technology in 1990. After that, it was implemented by an Indian Pranam Mistry in MIT Media Lab. That is in MIT Media Lab, that is situated in Cambridge University, USA. MIT stands for Massachusetts Institute of Technology. This technology can project the information on any surface like wall, table, or etc. And it uses hand gestures, movements, and interact with the projected information at what they he and what they he is the at present he is a global senior vice president of research in Samsung company. Now we have to move on next slide, that is about component. Now I'm going to discuss about my component. This is this is the whole combination is looks by this is the whole combination. The whole combination is looks like this, and this one is the camera, and this one is the color markers, and this one is the projector, and last one of them is a camera. Let me explain all one by one. First one of them is camera, second one of them is projector, and third one of them is mirror and mobile component. Last one of them is color markers. Now we have to move on next slide. These are looking like a pendant light device. The computing device is hanged back side of this person. Camera. The camera is look like this, and the main work of camera in that whole combination, if there is any object in view, then the object is recognized by the webcam or camera. First we have to understand what is the webcam. Webcam is the video camera that feeds its image through a computer to the computer network. The user's gestures are tracked and it sends the data to the smartphone or computing devices. Now we have to move on next slide. Projector. Projector looks like this, and the main work of projector to project the visual information onto the mirror. It contains a battery itself with 3 hours of battery life. Now we have to move on next slide.